Hello students. In the last video lecture we have understood about different kind of ray diagram on spherical mirrors. Let us go ahead and understand the sign conventions which are required for using the mirror formula. Okay. So for that we have to make a ray diagram. Again, by measurement make a concave mirror. As we know, the center of the mirror is called pole. So take the principal axis and this is the pole. Now a ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through a point on principal axis, that's called principal focus. We'll take a measurement. Let's take 2 centimeter of principal focus. And then we will have double the focal length. We'll have center of curvature. Okay, we already have discussed how to measure it. Now place an object beyond center of curvature. Now if object is placed beyond center of curvature, image will be formed in between center of curvature and focus. See, a ray which is parallel to principal axis will pass through focus. This is one of the rules we already have discussed. And the ray which is passing from center of curvature after striking the hard surface of the mirror will bounce back on the same path. Now this is the image formed where these two reflected rays are crossing, image will be formed. So as the rays have come from head, we will form a head over here and then the foot. So this is the image formation which has taken place. Now this distance between pole and focus, it is called as focal length, right? It is called as focal length, so symbolized as F. And the distance between the pole and the image is called as image distance. Image distance, and it is symbolized as V. And the distance of object from the pole, this is object distance. Object distance, that is symbolized as U. So first thing in sign convention you have to remember. These are the symbols given, and now let's discuss about sign conventions. Sign conventions. You must have seen I have taken all the distances from the pole. So first sign convention is all the distances will be measured from the pole of the mirror. From the pole of the mirror. This is the first rule of sign convention. Second, now this you have to understand in 2 ways. Okay, one, the distances, this is the incident ray going in this direction, right? So we can say in a simplest way, we can say it is the left side of the mirror and it is the right side of the mirror. Okay, this ray is going towards the right side and this is the left side. The second one is the measurements which come against the incident ray, against the direction of incident ray will be taken negative. Means this incident ray is going in the right direction, but if the measurement like object distance, focal length, image distance, if they are coming on the left side or opposite to the direction of the incident, that will be taken negative. So in language we will write the measurement which comes against the against the direction of incident ray. Incident ray will be taken with negative sign. Will be taken with negative sign. Now, in simple way we can understand the measurement which come on the left side will be taken negative, and the measurement coming on the right side will be taken positive. So this is third point. The measurement which comes along the direction, language में ऐसा कहेंगे, which come along the direction of incident ray will be taken with positive sign. So basically we are talking about right side. Okay, remember that. So these are the measurement. Always remember, first all measurement are taken from the pole. Second, the measurement which come against the direction of incident ray means on the left side will be taken negative. The measurement which come along the direction of incident ray means on the right side will be taken positive. Correct? And the fourth point of sign convention is, see, after three of these, remember that principal axis have, if the object is coming just above the principal axis or image is coming just below the principal axis, these are the basically height of object and image. So basically in this fourth sign convention we are talking about heights. So language will give the measurement which comes above the principal axis will be taken with positive sign, and measurement which comes below the principal axis will be taken with negative sign. इस केस में in this particular diagram we can see the object is above the principal axis, so it will be taken with a positive sign. Height, we are talking about height, and height of this image will be taken in a negative sign because it is coming below the principal axis. So these are the sign conventions you have to remember for using the mirror formula. Let us go ahead and understand the mirror formula. Now we know about focal length. Again I am writing focal length. The distance between pole and the focus is called focal length. It is symbolized by F. And the image distance, this again is distance between pole and the image formed, that is symbolized as V. And object distance, the distance between pole, from the pole to the object is called as object distance, symbolized by U. Now mirror formula is 1 upon F reciprocal of the focal length is equal to the reciprocal of image distance plus reciprocal of object distance. This is the mirror formula. first we will apply this, and I'll tell you that if you know the ray diagrams, orally you can know what will be the answer of the problem given. Okay, this is a mirror formula. After that we'll be coming to the linear magnification. Now this is a mirror formula. Let's give a numerical to ourselves. Okay, suppose if an object is placed at a distance of, if an object is placed at a distance of suppose 30 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, find out where the image is found. Now this is a problem given to us. See, don't look at the problem as as a mathematical way. Look at the problem with the ray diagram. See, what is given? If an object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter, means object is placed in front of concave mirror, an object is placed at 30 centimeter. Let's draw that. You see, I'm measuring it. Suppose this is an object placing in front of the concave mirror. The object distance is 30 centimeter. So we have a U 30 centimeter. Okay, and from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, the half is 15 centimeter. This is 30. Half is 15 centimeter. This is focal length. So this focal length from the pole means pole to focal, principal focus is focal length. This is 15 centimeter and this is small f. So what we are given with? We are given with focal length 15 centimeter and object distance at 30 centimeter. Now, see, according to the ray diagrams, if the focal length is 15 centimeter and object is placed at 30 centimeter, it simply means double the focal length is center of curvature. That simply means the object is placed at center of curvature. Now in the ray diagram we have seen, if the object is placed at center of curvature, the image is also formed at center of curvature. Image is formed at center of curvature means my V is gonna come to be 30 centimeter. Correct? It will come 30 centimeter. If you know the ray diagram, actually you know the answer. Correct? Because we have seen, I'm removing this so that we can make a ray diagram, a rough ray diagram. A ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through a focus. A ray which is passing from the focus after reflection going back, and this way the image will be formed at 30 centimeter. So my V will be 30 centimeter. I already know that. The image form will be real, inverted and same size. These are the characteristics of the image formed when the object is placed at central curvature. So by knowing the ray diagram, you already know the answer. Let's do it. Now, given we already said focal length 15 centimeter, U 30 centimeter. Let's put these values to the formula. So this is the formula. Now focal length is on the left side. You see this is the focal length. It is on the left side. Sign convention के हिसाब से we will be taking focal length with the minus sign. Image is also forming on the left side of the mirror. Means this is incident ray. It is against the incident direction of incident ray. So this is also minus. So this is focal length. Image formed. The object is always on the left side. Now this is 1 upon 15 centimeters. Sign convention is minus. We don't know. We'll find out. Mathematically we'll find out. Although we have ray diagram के हिसाब से हम already we know that it is going to be 30 centimeter. So plus minus U is always on the left side of the mirror. So it will also give the sign minus sign with that. It is minus 30 centimeter. सो माइनस प्लस माइनस बन जाएंगे. 1 upon minus 15 centimeter is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon 30 centimeter. Put this value over here, it will become in positive sign. So 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 15 will be 1 upon V. So let's take the LCM. It will be 30, 1 plus 1 minus. Sorry, this should be plus because it is minus. So it is. So 1 upon 30 will be equal to 1 upon V with the minus sign. Okay, with the minus sign. So V will be equal to minus 30 centimeters. See, mathematically also we have taken the V as minus 30. Already we have known by ray diagram. So whenever you see a ray diagram or a numerical given, you compare it where the object is placed as compared to the ray diagram, you already know the answer. Please try this way. You will find a lot of fun to do the numericals, especially of the light. Okay? Thank you very much.